Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add photo to your Call of Whales Fashion Wave memory journal in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, first of all, you're going to unlock the journal. To unlock it, you just need to go to the Whale Canyon area and you will automatically unlock the Fashion Wave memory journal. I have already unlocked this item, and then we're going to go to our backpack, then equip the Fashion Wave memory journal, Call of Whales Fashion Wave memory journal. Then you can click on this pencil icon to edit the journal, and you're going to select an image that you want to add. I'm going to choose, for example, this one, and I'm gonna choose the second image. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, just add the image that you like. Don't forget to click on confirm like this, and you can also add sticker, guys. If you want to add sticker, you're going to click on the sticker icon, then you can choose the sticker that you like. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, and yeah, you can decorate the journal as creative as you can. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can add a photo to your Call of Whales Fashion Wave memory journal in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!